This video is especially for my Nigerian community. In this video, I am going to share with you one of the best Nigerian online sneaker store, ParaPlug, where you can buy branded like a Air Jordan and Nike sneaker at lowest and cheapest price. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ubaid Academy. In this video, I am going to share with you two-day best store for buying sneakers of Nike and Jordan. The store name of ParaPlug. But before going to the details video, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. You can also find this store link in video description. So let's back to the topic. First of all, you need to register at the site. Click on registered button and here a simple form. First of all, you need to add your profile pics. Click on icon of profile and select any image you want to set and fill out the form and click on register and don't forget to put referral code. It's very easy and simple task to create an account at ParaPlug store. After registration your account, just enter your login details and click on login and login your account. And don't forget to verify your email after sign up. Click on confirm email and verify your email. After logging your account, you have a chance to claim your free sneaker by referring 10 friends. It's very easy and simple task. Just copy your joining link and share it with your friend and family. If you reach your 10 referral, just live chat on WhatsApp and ask them to claim your free sneakers. You can also contact them at WhatsApp, live chat, Telegram, Facebook and Twitter. Let's explore some sneakers. Go to store. Here you can find top level sneakers. You can also use filter by a lowest price, highest price and newest. Let me go with low price. And next one is brand. Air Jordan or Nike. Choose anyone. Select one of best sneaker which one you like. Select a size. You can find out multi-size. Choose a size and add to cart. Go to cart and click on checkout. Fill out your details like a phone number, postal address and order to click now. If you don't like your parcel, you can also ask for refund. According to the refund policy, you have a 7 days time after receiving your package. You can request to return the package. You can also contact them on social media like a WhatsApp or by a phone call for asking to refund policy or change your parcel if you don't like your sneaker. If you have any issue regarding your order or just want to ask any question regarding your payment or refund policy, you can contact them online at WhatsApp anytime. Just click on WhatsApp icon showing at ParaPlug stores. Just click there. It will be redirected to WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp. Here you can see they are online at WhatsApp. You can just type a text, hello, I have a problem or something like. Whatever you want to ask, just text here. They will reply as soon as possible in short time period. You can also contact them via email. If you have any question, ask them via email. You will get the response as soon as possible. But better than email to contact them at WhatsApp. One of the best feature you have never seen at any stores, you can find out at ParaPlug homepage. Just scroll down and here if you buy a sneaker from ParaPlug, just take your picture with ParaPlug sneakers or shopping bags and tag it Instagram, got it on ParaPlug. They will post your picture here at the homepage of ParaPlug web store. So hopefully you like this video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, you can ask them online at WhatsApp. Have a good day. Bye bye.